Hey guys, this is Dee from unfilteredtruth.com. Today I'm bringing you a little unfiltered cleaning. What you're looking at is a bench at my dining room table, and as you can see, it's filthy thanks to my kids. If you afraid to get white furniture, let me show you why you shouldn't be. You see this little machine here? This is a little green machine, and it may be little, but it's powerful. So what I do is I pre-soak the solution, I spray it on, let it sit for 5-10 minutes, and then I begin the cleaning. Watch this. Magic, right? It's gone. All right, guys, and here's the after. As you can see, it looks brand new again. And I don't do it often. I just do it, occasionally. I used to do it all the time when I first got it, but I was like, I'm not finna drive myself crazy. All right, guys, so moving along to the next big task for the little green machine. As you can see, I was being risky, going this light with 3 kids. So what I did, I set rules: no eating on my couch, no drinking on my couch, and I have a secret that I'm gonna share with you all at the end. As you can see, the youngest doesn't follow the rules. So let's take a look at things afterwards. Beforehand, the couch wasn't really that dirty because, again, I set rules and regulations. Yep, I'm that mama. And if you do this regularly, then you don't have to worry about your couch becoming a mess, because I had this sofa for about 2-3 years now and it still look good as new. Remember that stain? Ta-da! It's gone. I'm telling y'all, the green machine is powerful. It might be little, but it got a lot of oomph in it. So my secret is Scotchgard, thanks to Nani. When I first got my sofa, I sprayed it down with Scotchgard, and every time I clean it, I spray it with Scotchgard. So a fun fact about Scotchgard is that it's a fabric protector that repels liquid. The great thing about Scotchgard is that you can use it on just about anything. You can use it on your kid's book bag, canvas shoes, anything that is made of fabric. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. Until next time, peace.